So I'm here at Peta waterfall behind me. If you can see there, that's the waterfall. And yeah, let's go check it out. So we have planned to go on that side. Hey, I'm coming. That's gonna be an awesome view, guys. Buddy, can you hold the camera? This is so beautiful, yaar. If it is this beautiful in this summer, once imagine how it's gonna be in the rainy season. I recommend everyone to come here and explore the place. Nature always gives you. He is my friend Mauli. He is gonna throw that stick into it and we'll see in how many seconds it bounces back. Yeah, buddy, start. It's less. Maybe it will be 10 feet. Huh? 10 feet or 12 feet it will be. Except that sound, we cannot listen anything here. I again forgot the name. Buddy, what's the name?
Valsampetta.
Velsampetta waterfall. This is also one of the coolest waterfall to ever see. See how beautiful it is. And so yeah, this is around 8 kilometers from Kota, right? Peta. It is 8 to 10 kilometers from Peta. this. So this is Alluri Sitaramaraju Park. So according to history, Alluri Sitaramaraju left his last breath here. So yeah, let us go and check the place, the garden. It's one of the most popular garden in Peta. Yeah, this park is so cool. So over there, Alluri Sitaramaraju Memorial Park.
Here.
Yeah, buddy. Obviously this way. What is it, bro?
It's buried.
Oh. So there are two tombs here. That one to my left is Alluri Sitaramaraju garu, and this is Sri Ramaraju Gari Sena. What's that? Senani means, I think his follower. Yeah, he's a legend, guys. It's so beautiful. So that's it for the vlog, guys. I'll end the vlog here in Velsampetta waterfall. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all guys doing great. And something else. See you in the next vlog very soon, guys. Bye bye, take care.